So I have already used the foundation, and I'm going to use something new today that's called Artistry Exact Fit powder. It's a perfecting loose powder, and just to set my makeup, I think I'll go with this loose powder. Okay. But before that, I just want to try something else, because I'm going to do I'll be doing eyeshadow makeup. So I am going to use a little bit of concealer on my upper eye. So I'm using Artistry concealer, and it's called Deep. I'll just use my finger. And then I'll use a sponge to blend this in, blend this properly, and then I will use the loose powder. So I'm using this sponge. So this is what concealers do, guys. If you really have a black spot or dark circles around your eyes, use a concealer for a more perfecting look or makeup. I'll just take a picture too, because sometimes my when I do the videos, my filters are like very it looks like very professional, and it doesn't show my exact skin and how the makeup looks. So let me go ahead, pause the video, and I'll take a picture so that I'll show you how exactly, after using the concealer, how my dark circles doesn't show up. Like especially my upper eye, I had a very bad dark circles. It's slowly going away, and I'll share the product that I'm using for my dark circles around my eyes. Let me pause it. So I'll share the picture too, how exactly it looks. And okay, so I did this, and now let me use the Artistry Studio Loose Powder Exact Fit. I'm using a medium shade. Look at this cool box. So you just use the sponge that comes along with it, and then just dab, 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 and see, it's on my sponge. That's such a cool way, right? Oh, Artistry. Okay, I'm done with my powder. The first thing that I'll try doing it is using this Plumberry Longwearing eye pencil from Artistry. I'm almost out of it, that's why I got a new one. Okay. So what I want to do is, like, use this on these edges of my upper eye. So let me do it. Okay, I'm going to use a mirror. I don't want to mess it. I'm going to blend this. That's why I've used a thicker coat. Like I didn't go very thin because I want to blend this and then use the shimmer and then use the black smoky eyeshadow. So it's okay if you don't get the perfect lines in both the eyes, like, because we're going to blend this and it won't show the errors. It won't be that visible. I'll use it. I've used this Plumberry kajal in my under eye too. Okay, now it's time to blend this, and so I'm going to use this brush that's from Artistry. See, after blending it in, blending the color, it's kind of really showing the plum color, and it's getting lighter, so that our shimmer and the dark smoke or the black smoky eyeshadow will show. So that was my idea. So you can go all over the place on your upper eye, just blend the color properly, and go on your lower eyelid too, and just blend this. So it should be my base layer, the Plumberry eye pencil. So I'm trying to girls, I'm trying to use the colors or use the products that's available right now at my shop or at BU Wellness under Amway. So I'm just trying to use the colors that I have and create the smoky effect. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, so you can see both the eyes, the difference, right? It's so beautiful. It's like completely blends now. Now that it's blended properly, I can see this plum color really showing up and like highlighting. So that's my base coat. Okay, the base layer. Okay, let's move on to the next eye. Blend. So it's easy. It's good to go from inside out motion. Like if you want to really blend this, like go from inside your eyelid to out. That gets easier, and it blends very well. So that's how I go, like outer motion. The stroke should be like going outwards from in. Start from your eye here, like from the inside and out, and blend it. So look at this plum color showing up. Okay. The stroke, it gets easier if it's like inside and out. So you can, like, the brush stroke rather than going from outward in. So it gets easy because you must work hard to blend this color properly. Go on your lower eye, blend it.